This video, I'm gonna talk about default administrative distances. So I've got a table here that I got from a book that I'm reading called ccnp Routing and Switching Routes 300-101 by Kevin Wallace. So I decided to make this video so that me or you can just go to my YouTube channel and just search for these things if we want a refresher. And I think that most of these administrative distance are worth remembering. So let's start with, I've got a route type and administrative distance and another route type. This is just continuation because these won't fit, just one row. So in one row, so I'm making it 2 rows. So route type and administrative distance. So AD stands for administrative distance. So connected. Connected route is basically the route that is configured on an interface of a device, for example, of a router. That route will have a distance, administrative distance of 0. And static, I assume that you are familiar with static routes. They have an AD of 1. And EIGRP summary table, these kind of routes have a AD of 5. And EBGP, so EBGP stands for External Border Gateway Protocol, has a AD of 20. And EIGRP, this is the more common route that you would encounter if you are dealing with EIGRP. So it's got a AD of 90. IGRP, which is an old version of EIGRP. This route here doesn't exist in the networks nowadays, but it's still here for reference. So IGRP stands for Interior Gateway Routing Protocol. It has a administrative distance of 100. OSPF, of course, stands for Open Shortest Path First, has an administrative distance of 110. And this is just, like I said, continuation. So route type and AD. So ISIS stands for Intermediate System. Intermediate System has an AD of 115. RIP, Routing Information Protocol. Routing Information Protocol, if I'm not mistaken, has a AD of 120. On-demand routing. I'm not very familiar with on-demand routing, but I think this is just like a floating routing, right? For example, you've got 2 static routes, and one of them has a lower AD, and one of them has a higher AD for redundancy purposes. So if the static route that has a lower AD, for some reason it disappears or not in the routing table anymore, then the static route that has a higher value of 80 will be installed in the routing table. So that is just, don't caught me on that. It's just my understanding, but I could be wrong. So on-demand routing has an 80 of 160 and EIGRP external. So this is the route. Yeah, this is the, I feel like there's something missing here. The external OSPF route, but I'm gonna double check that. So EIGRP external route, this, I think, I believe these routes are the ones that were distributed into the EIGRP process. And of course, IBGP stands for internal BGP, border gateway protocol, has an AD of 200. And last is unreachable, meaning that route, you can't reach that route. It's got an AD of 255. So yeah, that's it for default administrative distances of the routes. So like I said, this is just a quick video so that you can just go visit my channel and search for these administrative distances. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Bye.